It's me, the host, the one who gonna set up this whole store. So this is Bhaiya or ownership. Sir, hi, bolo. Guys, I came to set up this store. The brand name is You. It's only for women. So this is the store that we are going to arrange tonight, and I will show you tomorrow how this store is look after the setup. Things so the arrangement is going on. Hi, hello. All from Nagaland. So this is it. पूरा रात को यही काम चल रहा है, अभी भी चल रहा है भाई साहब। Guys, still yet to get finished up. The door is closed and we are still walking. Guys, it's already, what's the time? 5:30 AM, bro. Hey guys, this is the final piece after all the store is set up. So this is how it looks. Now we have set all clear. We have placed everything on the particular place, and then we have folded, we have arranged everything. So the store is located in Katupagam, Chennai. So anyone who would like to visit this store can visit. I'll give the contact and then addresses in the description, so you guys can check it out. You'll get a discount of like 40% or buy one get one, or like buy two get two, something like this kind of offer. So you just can visit this store. The store is located in Katupagam, and it's near, opposite to the Venetian showroom, so you guys can visit this showroom. And guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. Thank you, bye bye.